Assalamu alaikum, I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to use radius and diameter dimension. In the dimension panel of Annotate tab, select the option of radius. Select the arc or the circle that you want to dimension. Click on the screen to specify the location of the dimension. So you can see that a center mark for the arc has appeared here and R symbol is used to dimension the radius. Let's activate the dimension style manager. Select my dimension style from here. Click modify and from symbol and arrows, let's change the center mark from mark to line and click OK. Close and you can see here that center mark has changed to center line. The alias for the radius dimension is DRA. Similarly, you have an option of diameter. Select this diameter option. Select the arc or the circle that you want to dimension. Click on the screen to specify the dimension location. So the diameter of this arc is 2.04, that is 2 times the radius, and this is the symbol that is used for the diameter. The alias for dimensioning the diameter is DDI.